Narrator, electricity can come from many places. Some comes from power plants, some from the sun with solar panels, and some from the wind with wind turbines. Child Leo, whoa, that's so cool. So the sun and wind can help make electricity too. Woman teacher narrator, that's right. And in some places, water can help make electricity too. There are so many ways to power up our world. Narrator, let's build a simple circuit. All you need is a battery, a wire, and a little light bulb. Child Leo, let's do it. Leo connects the wire from the battery to the light bulb, and poof, the light bulb turns on. His face lights up with excitement. Child Leo, wow, I made my own light. Woman teacher narrator, great job, Leo. You made a simple circuit. The electrons traveled from the battery through the wire and into the light bulb, making it shine. Question time. Woman teacher narrator, Leo, here's a question for you and our friends watching. Light bulb, can electricity move if the circuit is broken? Child Leo, I don't know. What do you think, friends? The answer, party popper. Woman teacher narrator, let's find out. If we take one wire off the battery, look, the light bulb turns off. Child Leo, oh, that means electricity can't move if the circuit is broken. Woman teacher narrator, that's right. Electricity needs a complete circuit to flow. No circuit, no electricity.